You guys, if you're doing this at home, which I know a lot of us are doing, eating chips. I got the Trolls movie on. I don't even have no little kids at home, but I got me some Trolls Oreos. I'm doing this. Some leftover Easter candy. Stay tuned. I got the video for you. Our workout that'll keep you toned and fit as we go through the COVID-19 stack at home video. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up, divas? It's Brandy, and I'm here with another YouTube upload. Yes, if you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in and watching. And if you're a new subscriber, thanks for joining the family. I appreciate you stopping past. And I will be doing a shout out to all my new subscribers, so listen up for that. But in today's video, you see I'm in my bathroom, I have my toothbrush, and this is a get ready with me either day or night workout routine. Now, it's really not a routine, but it is several ways since most people are stuck at home. Unfortunate for me, I have to still get out. So I still have to get ready for work. So I usually do my exercises either in the morning or in the night. So it doesn't make a difference when you do it. It's just that you actually physically exercise. So normally when I'm brushing my teeth, and the American Dental Association says you should brush your teeth for roughly 2 minutes. So 2 minutes of workout video in the bathroom. And you're like, how do you do that? Well, I already brushed my teeth, but what I normally do is I work out my stomach. 3 things you can work out here. Your stomach, your glutes, because you don't want this, you know what that does if you don't exercise it, it falls, ladies. You don't work this out, it starts poking out. You see I got a little something there poking out. And I can do my calf muscles. I still have my socks on. So calf muscles. So 3 things you can do in the bathroom as you're getting ready. So 2 minutes. So if I'm brushing my teeth for 2 minutes, I get ready, get my toothbrush. What I can do is I want to work out today, I'm going to work out my glutes. So as I'm brushing my teeth, we'll put the toothbrush on just for video sake. And, well, maybe not. There we go. And you're going to do 2 minutes. Now, what you can do is, let's turn it off. You can either take your phone or got my tablet. That's going to time me 2 minutes. So let's put 2 minutes on here. And you'll use your clock to make sure that you're actually getting the maximum of the workout. So let's log in if it'll let me log in. Let's see. All right, let's go. So we're going to go to our clock, and we're going to go to stopwatch, and we're going to start so you can see it's on start, and we're just going to let it wind down for 2 minutes. 2 minutes as we do it. Now you can either do all 3 in the bathroom. The stomach one is actually easy. All you're going to do is actually hold your stomach in. The whole time you're in the bathroom, whether you're putting your makeup on, brushing your teeth, or whether you're doing your hair, try and hold your stomach in. What that does is tighten your stomach muscles, because the more you let them not be tightened, that's when your stomach starts bulging out. That's because the muscles are loose. So what you want to do as you're in the bathroom, whether it's 2 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, hair, makeup, brushing your teeth, washing your face, you want to hold your stomach muscles in. And what that does in turn, it strengthens them and tightens them. So that's what we're going to do as we do everything in the bathroom. But for your glutes and then for your calf muscles, there's just a basic routine, or you can do your thighs too as well. So I'm going to show you a couple different things that I do as I'm in here. So one, I got my toothbrush going. I'm going to do squats. So I'm going to do 2 minutes worth of squats while I'm brushing my teeth. I'm not actually going to brush my teeth. So as you're in the bathroom brushing your teeth, you can do 2 minutes worth of squats. Very easy, and try and hold your stomach in. So you're working not only your glutes, your thighs, and your stomach. Simple, ladies, easy. Guys, you can do this too. This is an easy routine. So I'm going to do 2 minutes worth of this until I'm done. Now, you can't do it while you're doing your makeup. You can't do it while you're doing your hair. So this is an easy one to do as you're brushing your teeth. And it's simple and easy. You can brush your teeth. What are you doing besides standing there when you're brushing your teeth? So I'm working my glutes, getting them toned and fit. because I can't go to the gym because all the gyms are closed. I actually don't go to the gym. So these are my actual workout routines that I do. So I get that done. Now, if you want to do your inner thigh, you can just turn your feet out. This is the inner thigh one. Still working your glutes. And this is going to work your inner thigh while you're, let's get the toothbrush straight, while you're brushing your teeth. And so, again, you can use a timer on your phone, or you could use a timer on your tablet or whatever you have on your phone, your watch, iWatch, Apple Watch, whatever, and do 2 minutes. And so this is going to actually strengthen and tone the inner thigh. Very easy, very simple. Very simple. Now, for your calf muscles, the same thing. You're standing there, you're brushing your teeth, and you would hold on for this one. I do because I'm not trying to fall in the bathroom. And all I do is leg bridge. So leg lifts. And this is going to work my calf muscles as I'm brushing my teeth and getting them pearly white. We're brushing that teeth. And try to remember as you're working out to hold your stomach in. That'll strengthen your stomach muscles, tone your stomach, and make that pop belly like we all have go down. So that is simple and easy. And the maximum I would do for your calf muscles would be maybe a minute. If you can do 2 as you're brushing your teeth, just work yourself up to it. Start with a minute, 60 seconds, and then do another 60 seconds. Or you can either stop, go back to your squat for 60 seconds while you're brushing your teeth. You could do all 3. Squats, stomach, so I'm going to do 60 of these, and then I'll do my leg, my calf muscles for the other minute of brushing my teeth. So that's very simple and easy. Very simple, easy things to do while you're getting ready or while you're just in the house and don't have a really workout routine. You're not going to the store, buying all this stuff. This is just stuff I do on a normal daily basis. I'm going to show you another one that I do in the kitchen while I'm waiting if I'm making something. So stay tuned. Okay, now I'm in the kitchen, ladies. As you're in the kitchen, you see I still have some of my spring thing going up. As I'm in the kitchen and I'm preparing my meal, whether I'm waiting for some water to boil or the stove to heat up, whatever. I got 2 minutes spare time as I'm waiting for something. You're waiting always for something in the kitchen, whether it's, like I said, water boiling or the oven to heat up, or you're just thinking about what you're gonna make. Okay, I got a counter here, and what I normally do is, this is push-up time. Yes, you can do your push-ups. So I'm going to do that same thing. I'm going to do push-ups. Now, you don't have to do push-ups on the floor. You don't have to do push-ups. Push-ups can be done anywhere, on the steps, counter, floor, wall, whichever you got handy. This is to keep yourself fit. So we're going to work our muscles here. We're going to do the biceps and the triceps on the counter, the bar counter. Very simple and easy. 2 minutes worth of your time, or whatever you can work up to. Start with a minute, 2 minutes, however much time you got while you're diddly-daddling in the kitchen. So we're going to do it in this basic, easily, push-ups off of the counter. And again, you can set your timer, or you can just count to 60 as you do it. Very easy. And remember, ladies, you're going to hold those stomach muscles tight, hold those glutes tight, tighten that stuff up. And this is while I'm waiting. Maybe I'm making spaghetti, I'm waiting for the water. Macaroni, I'm waiting for the water. Or whatever. I'm waiting for my food leftovers to heat up in the oven or in the microwave, however long. Maybe you're cooking a microwave dinner and it takes 6 minutes for the microwave dinner to get ready. That's 6 minutes worth of exercise while you're in the kitchen. Simple and easy. Now, if you have a counter, you can actually, that's going to work your your bicep. Now, if you have a low counter, what you could do is do the same thing. I'll even do it off the stove. It's not even that difficult. We're going to do it off the stove. And so you're going to do the same thing. You move out, and you can do 2 minutes worth of exercise. I'm waiting for something in the kitchen. I'm waiting for my microwave to get done with my microwave lasagna. Yum, yum, yum. And so I am working my triceps for 60 seconds, 2 minutes, or however long you choose to do it. Very simple, very easy. So that's 2 things that you can work out in the kitchen. I'll show you one more, And the same thing I did in the bathroom, you can do with the squats in the kitchen on your counter. You can do your leg raises, leg lifts on the counter. And you can actually do some leg exercises too. And what I normally do is my leg ones where I do about 20 of these as I'm waiting. 20 on this leg, 20 on that leg. And this is why I have clothes on. I just got the workout stuff. I just got the workout stuff for the video. So my intentions are to make it look easy. It is easy. Why I have on my clothes, my jeans or whatever, while I'm in the kitchen, I'm not getting stripped down and put on some workout gear to come in the kitchen to exercise. It's actually why I am cooking, working. Today is Sunday. I'm making this video, so I'm just showing you this is what you could do. Or like I said, I'm normally getting ready for work or getting ready for bed. And so that's normally when I get my stuff done. So I'm going to do my leg exercises, 20 on this side, try to hold my stomach in, get that muscle tightened. And it's strengthening and then tighten. So when we do actually go outside, we're going to look fit, tight, and put together. And so that's just easy exercises to do while you're in the kitchen. Nothing major. And again, like I said, if you have a wall, you can see, because I still got a gut there too. You can do your push-ups off of the wall. Very easy, simple. So these are things to do while you're actually in the kitchen, in the bathroom. Takes about a couple of minutes. And if you're feeling froggy, you can run up and down your steps for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes intervals. That's what I normally do. 2-minute intervals. So I'll run up and down the steps for 2 minutes. It doesn't take you out of your schedule or out of any type of routine. Again, you don't want to, it's a routine, but not a routine. So it's a habit that you do. So you're in the kitchen. As you're in the kitchen, like I said, just waiting for something to get done, you could do your push-ups. While you're brushing your teeth, you're doing your squats. So this is just easy stuff you can do without technically having a routine workout, but then you still get the benefits of a workout. So if you're looking for any more tips on this type, if you're looking for any different ways, I have several different ways. I do some things when I go to bed. I do push-ups off the wall. I do leg exercises in the bed. So there's multiple things that you can do in order to work out while you're not going to the gym. But just make sure, you guys, that you are hydrating as you work out, whether it's in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening, that you are hydrating yourself. So the electrolytes that you take out of your body when you're sweating, this is normally a no sweat routine. So, but if you're a sweater, you still need to quench your thirst, indeed. Yes, with some water. So you get to do some water after your routine, and you can actually do some stretches while you're in the kitchen. You know, just to stretch your arms out. Oh, yes. Because after this is over, I'm going to need a full body massage because I feel so tight. So this is just some of the things you can do. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Ring the bell and get all the latest and video uploads in beauty, fashion, makeup, and lifestyle. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, be happy, keep positive, and stay strong. Bye-bye.